guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit since I recorded a intro, and I'm angled at a weird angle today, but it's because I am doing this video along with a TikTok with it. It's for a challenge that I'm doing. So this is the look that I came up with. It's very Halloween-y. It's good for parties or whatever you want to do. I'm excited to be able to be on here and create this look for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy it and like it. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so let's get started, and we're going to go into the EYN Bright Mattes palette, going into the shade Drama Queen. This purple is so beautiful. I'm just going to pack that into the crease and bring it up just a tad bit up past the crease because I do have hooded eyes. And then once we have that in, we're going to go in the shade Sugar Plum, and we're going to pack that on as well right above Drama Queen. We're not going to blend just yet. Okay, now we're blending, and to blend the two colors together, I am using the Morphe M330 brush, and I am blending where the two colors meet right now, just to make sure they blend seamlessly together. And yes, I am using windshield wiper motions because I don't want the look to look too blown out. And now blending that top color, which is Sugar Plum, I'm using the Beauty Creations RC13 brush, and I'm just lightly blending the outer edges. Going in with this Rimmel London gel liner in black, 001 black. I'm using this as a base before I apply my black eyeshadow. So I apply this and I bring it up about halfway, and I'll bring it all the way up my lid. I stop about halfway there, or I don't know, maybe a third of the way. You'll see. This took a little bit because my eyeliner was like dry and tacky. I don't know what was going on with it. But then I go into Illicit in the palette, that's the shade's name, I think. And I start packing that on. And I pack it on just about the same distance that I applied the gel liner or the base. And when packing on this shade, you want to make sure you pack it on really good and get every little bit of space or little nooks and crannies with this and not miss any spots. And going into the shade Drama Queen again, I'm going to blend that into the black and kind of drag it upwards so that it's a nice little transition from the black to the purple. Using this Neutrogena makeup remover, I'm going to use this to remove some of that black eyeshadow where I want to make that pink eyeliner. And I'm just going to give you guys the advice now. I don't know why I did it this way, but I would recommend using your eyeshadow base or a concealer and doing the liner and then going back in with the remover, makeup remover. Oh my god, because I use like 80 little Q-tips, no lie, just to get this done. And then I go in with a dry one to remove that makeup remover because you don't want to have any oil left behind. I'm using the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright eyeliner, and this is the shade Serenity. I recommend using this after you apply base and a shadow that's like, or a loose pigment that's bright, and then this on top because it won't be like flaky. Then I'm going in with the P.louis base, and this is in the shade Rumour 2. I'm applying that to the lower lash line. The reason for this is so that that lower lash line shade is like vibrant. And I definitely drag that all the way into my inner corner as well. Using this Italia eyeliner, I'm gonna apply this to my waterline. I always like using a white waterline pencil or a white shade in my waterline because it makes my eye look bigger, especially when I'm working with bright colors. To set that, I'm using the white shade in this palette. It's called White Lies, and I'm just gonna set that waterline. Every time I set my waterline shade, I always end up getting eyeshadow in my eye. Now going in with this matte palette by Karity, I'm going into the shade Medusa, and I'm gonna apply that where I had applied that P.louis base, which is right under for my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna take that out of Lucas's mouth and continue blending that shade. I bring it down pretty far. Now going in with this NYX glitter glue, I apply that to the inner corner right up on top of that shade Medusa. And then I apply some glitter. This glitter is not makeup glitter. I don't think this is like craft store glitter, so I did not show you guys the glitter. Sorry. For lashes, I'm going in with these. These are by OMG Lashes. These are in Sitting Pretty. That's the name of the lashes. And these lashes are so pretty. That's why I picked them. They're very beautiful. I had to cut them a lot because my eyes are small, and I think I ended up cutting just a little too much at the end, but I don't think it's that noticeable. Well, I hope not. You know what I mean? I usually don't show me applying my lashes very often, so I figured I'd do that in this clip for you guys because a lot of people are always asking. And even though this is like fast forwarded, I mean, you guys can still see like what goes on. For mascara, I am using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is in the shade Carbon Black. This mascara is my go-to, guys. Like, I cannot live without this mascara. I use it all the time, whether I have makeup or whether I don't have makeup. It's just my shit. And I also use this on the top lashes to combine the falsies and my lashes together. Using this highlighter by Colourpop Cosmetics, this is in the shade Flexitarian. I apply this to the inner corners for that pop, for that highlight, and oof, I love this highlight. Alright you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you are updated every time I upload a new video. And Lucas is singing happy birthday. But yes, make sure you guys hit that bell notification.